Yeah, hello and welcome to another video from the Philippines. And just a couple of days ago I made two short videos about the cost of electricity and gasoline in the Philippines. And I thought because they are quite successful with 2,000, 3,000 views, at least on my German channel. So I make a video now here to cover all the important costs like electricity, fuel cost, gasoil, the gas for the cooking, water in the house, and also the garbage service. For the video I've taken some pictures and short videos that I will put together, and I will make a voiceover on that in the house so that we don't have so many noises around. So see you soon. Gasoline and diesel are essential for transportation, but how much do they cost in the Philippines? Well, let's dive right into it. The price of gasoline and diesel fluctuates, much like in the rest of the world, due to factors such as global marketing trends, taxes, and exchange rates. On average, gasoline prices hover around $1 per liter, while the diesel is slightly cheaper, costing about 90 cents per liter. But remember, these prices aren't set in stone. External influences like geopolitical tensions or changes in the crude oil prices can cause fluctuations. It's also important to note that regional variations exist within the Philippines. The closer you get to bigger cities, actually, the cheaper the gasoline. And while public transport is popular, many Filipinos own private vehicles, making gasoline and diesel costs a significant part of their budget. It's a delicate balancing act between necessity and affordability. But now that we have covered the fuel cost, let's move on to another essential utility, which is electricity. And this is how electricity might come to your house in urban areas. This is my personal meter tree or electrical meter box. This is mine and all my neighbors' meters, where the guy comes once a month and read the meters before you get your monthly bill. And this is how it looks like. This is my personal electricity bill from the month of November, but we stayed only half of a month. And we used 114 kilowatt hours, which ends up at 1,640 pesos. And if you divide that, you will end up at 14.4 pesos per kilowatt hour, which is equivalent to 24 euro cents. Once again, this was only half months, and if we would take the full months, the bill would be twice as much. But let's talk about the tap water. Similar to electricity, the neighborhood's water meters are at a central point along the street, from where the lines go to the individual houses. And this is how the water bill will look like. In the months from September to October, we have used 57 cubic meters, which ends up at 1,116.75 pesos. And that results in the price of 19.6 pesos per cubic meter. That is about 35 cents. Also on this bill you can see the local garbage fee for the garbage service. They pick up the garbage about once a week. This is only 10 pesos and it's pretty cheap. It gets much more expensive if you get closer to the big cities. Tap water in the Philippines is not drinkable, at least I wouldn't drink it. Therefore you have to buy some drinking water in these blue bottles, about 10 to 15 liter each. You can buy them for 35 pesos in one of these water shops, and they will also be delivered to your house. Last not least, we have the prices for the cooking gas. There's about 2 or 3 different companies, Gasoil and Price Gas and Solan, as we can see, LPG. One 11 kilo tank is about 1,250 pesos in the moment. That's quite expensive for a country like the Philippines. That's around $20 or 20 euro, and in Germany I would have to pay only 25 for one of these tanks. So that there's no much difference. Yeah, that's it so far about the most important prices in the Philippines. I hope you liked that video. If yes, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video from the Philippines.